How to use Motor Vehicle Injury Compensation Guide properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Motor vehicle injury guides promise to help victims understand compensation, but beginners often misinterpret instructions, costing money or delaying claims. You won't believe how easily small errors can impact your payout. The first mistake is ignoring the importance of documenting injuries. Photos, medical records, and witness statements are essential. Without evidence, insurance companies can argue your injury is minor or unrelated. Another common error is underestimating the total cost of your claim. Compensation isn't just for medical bills, it includes lost wages, pain and suffering, and future care. Focusing only on immediate expenses limits your recovery. Many users skip verifying legal deadlines. Statutes of limitations for personal injury claims are strict. Missing a filing date can completely bar you from receiving compensation. Some also overlook the need to review insurance policy details. Coverage limits, deductibles, and exclusions directly affect what you can claim. Understanding these terms prevents surprises during settlement. Finally, relying solely on a guide without professional advice is risky. Guides provide general information, but individual cases vary. Consulting an attorney ensures your claim reflects your unique circumstances and maximizes recovery. To properly use a motor vehicle injury compensation guide, document all injuries, account for total losses, meet legal deadlines, understand insurance terms, and consult a lawyer when needed. Avoiding these mistakes ensures you get the compensation you deserve.